Karim? You just wake. So the thing I go on with now. You sell off everything. That sound good. You left some of my food? You left some of my food for me? Make sure. No, my day I go and relax. I watch one show. I'm not there at the house. I'm not there today. Sooner or later, me make you know. Yeah. Alright. Murder she wrote, murder she wrote, murder she wrote, murder she wrote. A pretty face and banger at. You see me? Pretty face and banger. Who that? Whisper, if I you that, you can't trick me again. Whisper, you know you can stay up there if you don't answer my door. Whisper! Wait, what? Wanna trick me again? Yeah, go on then, little girl. Yeah, go on. Come here. You alert, Bubbles! You alert, man! Tony and the house look nice. Kept, well kept. Bubbles! You come back! My pass the test? When me hear the back door knock, I go round and I pull it and then put a bag over my head and then come one place. And then they ask me question if I work for agency and I say no, I work for a shopkeeper. I'm a shopkeeper. I'm gonna talk. So I pass the test though. Tony, come sit down a little bit. I never talk. I'm gonna ask you something. You never feel afraid? Like a kidnapper, you get kidnapped in a real life? Yeah, at first. But when I did it, I smell one body splash. And it smell like whisper one. As someone know it not real.